Okay, so well, here we have the 1964 Fuji Motors Go Devil mini bike. So we're gonna take her out and assemble it and see if we can take it for a short little spin. So let's pull it out of the trunk. Okay. So first step is get it out of the bag here. So see what we can do. All right. Let's go back here so it's a little bit more in focus. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so as you can see, it's all in its completely folded up state here at the moment. So we're gonna unfold it and see what we can do. First up, take the wheel out, set it aside. Now we'll open her up here. This part just screws in. Thing is super well made. Made by Fuji Motors in Japan, and this is a 1964 model, fully restored. The handlebars here have been completely re-chromed and gone completely through this thing to make sure that it's in super good shape. The frame is entirely powder coated as well. Okay, we'll just put the front tire on. It just slides in here like that, and then just screws in secure like that. We pretty much have it together there. Then you just lift up the back tire and away you go. But before we do that, we're going to put some, make sure we got some fuel in this. Turn the fuel on. Yeah, we got some fuel in there. That should be sufficient. We'll find out, I guess. Leave that open. Turn the petcock on. Got the choke over here. Put the choke on. We're going to give her a few pulls and see what happens. Ready to go for a spin. Oh, we do that. Just move my tripod a little bit. Left the choke on. Left the choke on. There we go. Okay, and there you have it. There you have it, the 1964 Fuji Go Devil mini bike.